Hello students, welcome back. Today we will continue with exercise 3.3 of chapter number 3, that is trigonometric function. Okay, in our last video we had started with exercise 3.3. Okay, now today we will continue with this exercise. Okay, so let's start. Question number 8. Okay, we had completed till question number 7 in our last video. So question number 8 is you have to prove that cos x plus, or let me write it down here. Prove that. Okay, cos pi plus x into cos of minus x upon psi pi minus x into cos pi by 2 plus x is equal to cot square x. Okay, so let's start with LHS. Cos pi plus x, cos minus x, sin pi minus x, cos pi by plus x. Okay, here we require a unit circle. Okay, first, second, third, fourth, all S T C. Okay, so the first is cos pi plus x. Pi shift, that means we will convert cos. We will not convert. Cos will be equal to cos x. And whether it be positive or negative, pi. So here it's pi. Okay, plus, so in this corner pi plus, so third quadrant, in third quadrant is negative, so here I will put minus cos. Now cos minus x, cos is an even function, so the negative angle and positive angle both will have same value, so it will be equal to cos x. Sin pi shift, so again it will be sin x. Now for negative positive, pi it's here, okay, minus, so this way, clear, clockwise minus. So this is second quadrant. In second quadrant, sign is positive, so plus sign x. Cos pi by 2 plus x, pi by 2 shift, that means cos will get converted to sine. Okay, so it's sine x now with plus or minus. Pi by 2, it's here plus, so it will be in second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is negative, right? So here I will put minus sine x. See, don't check this one sign, check this one. Okay, so minus minus gets cancelled. Cos x by sin x, cot x, cos x by sin cot x. So this is equal to cot square x, and this is equal to RHS. Hence, it is proved. Okay, so this was question number 8. Yeah, so just note it down. Okay, now let's move to the next, that is question number 9. Question number 9, cos 3 pi by 2 plus x cos 2 pi plus x. Cot 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x. So again I will require unit circle. Okay, all STC. First 3 pi by 2 shift. Let me write down the complete LHS. Cos 3 pi by 2 plus x cos 2 pi plus x. Cot 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x. Okay. 3 pi by 2. So 3 pi by 2 in this word cos to sine. So it will be sine x. Now 3 pi by 2, where is it? It is at this place. Plus, so anti-clockwise in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos is positive. So here I will write down plus sine. Cos 2 pi plus x. 2 pi shift, so we will not change cos x. 2 pi, it's here. Plus, so anti-clockwise this way. In first quadrant, all are positive, so plus. Okay. Cot 3 pi by 2 minus x. Now, cot 3 pi by 2, so I will change it to 10. Where is 3 pi by 2? Here. Minus, so in this way, clockwise. So it's in third quadrant 10 and its reciprocal cot. Both are positive. So as cot is positive, it will be positive. Plus cos pi plus x. As it is 2 pi shift, I will not change. Okay, now 2 pi here plus again in first quadrant. First, all are positive, so cot x will be positive. Here, so this is sin x into cos x upon tan x means sin x by cos x plus cot x means cos x by sin. Okay, now let's take the LCM. Sin x into cos x. LCM will be cos x into sin x. Okay, so here there is no term, only term cos x, so I need to multiply it by sin x. Sin x into sin x, sin square x. Cos x into cos x, cos square x. Okay, see, cos x sin x cos x will get cancelled. What is the value of sin square x plus cos square x? That is equal to 1. That is equal to RHS. Clear? So just note it down. Now let's move to the next. That is question number 10. Question number 10. Sin n plus 1x sin n plus 2x plus cos n plus 1x cos n plus 2x, and you have to prove that is equal to cos x. Okay, so let's start with LHS. Sin m plus 1x sin m plus 2x plus cos m plus 1x cos n plus 2x. Now if you will see here, both angles are same. I can take it as alpha. If you will see at both angle, these both are same, that is beta. So sin alpha sin beta plus cos alpha cos beta. So here we will use the formula SS plus CC, or I can rearrange it in this way: cos n plus 1x cos n plus 2x sin n plus 1x sin n plus 2x. So this is CC plus SS. Cos alpha minus beta. Okay, so here I will write it down. This will be equal to cos alpha, that is n plus 1 into x, minus beta, that is n plus 2 into x. This is equal to cos. In both the case x is common, so I will get n plus 1 minus n plus 2. So here n minus n gets cancelled. 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. So this will be cos minus 1 into x minus x, and as cos is even function, cos minus x will be equal to cos plus x. Here this is equal to RHS. Okay, this was about question number 10. Just note it down. Okay, now let's move to the next, that is question number 11. Okay, 11. Cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x equal to minus root 2 sin x. You have to prove this. Okay, let's start with LHS. Cos 3 pi by 4 minus x minus cos 3 pi by 4. Sorry, here it's plus x and here it's minus x. The formula is cos alpha minus beta. Okay, so C minus C, the formula is minus 2SS. Okay, the formula was like this: cos alpha minus cos beta minus 2 sine alpha plus beta by 2 sine alpha minus beta by 2, right? So here I will write down minus 2 sine alpha, so that is 3 pi by 4 plus x plus beta, 3 pi by 4 minus x upon sine alpha, 3 pi by 4 plus x minus, see whenever I'm using minus, now I'm using bracket because this minus minus its sign will get changed upon, so in this case x gets cancelled. Here 3 pi by 4 minus 3 pi by 4, because this minus minus will be plus x. Clear? So this will be equal to minus 2 sine 3 pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 4. Okay, that will be 2 times 3 pi by 4. So that will be equal to 3 pi by 2. Okay, I'm writing here short. 3 pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 4, that will be equal to 6 pi by 4. 3 pi by 2 upon 2. Clear? 3 pi by 2 upon 2, that is equal to 3 pi by 4. Sine. So x minus minus plus x, 2x upon 2. Okay. So what I'm doing, I'm finding out the value of sine 3 pi by 4 here. This will be equal to, what is the multiple of 4 closer to 3? 4. So 4 pi minus pi by 4 sine 4 pi by 4 pi minus pi by 4, right? So as it is pi shape, it will be remaining sine. Now sine pi by 4. Now positive negative, pi minus, so second quadrant, and second quadrant is plus. So the plus sine pi by 4, the answer is 1 by root. So here I will write it down. This is equal to minus 2 into 1 by root 2. 2 gets cancelled, sine. Okay, so root 2 ones are root 2 root 2. The answer is minus root 2 sine x, and that is equal to RHS. Here, okay, what I used? I used the formula C minus C, that is minus 2SF. Then I got 3 pi by 4, so I found out the value of sine 3 pi by 4 here. That is equal to plus 1 by root 2. Finally, I got the RHS. Yeah, so this was about question number 11. Okay, so just note it down. Now let's move to the next, that is question number 12. Question number 12. Sine square 6x minus sine square 4x. You have to prove that this is equal to sine 2x sine 10x. So let's take LHS. Sine square 6x minus sine square 4x. Okay, here we will use the formula sine square alpha minus sine square beta. This is equal to sine alpha plus beta sine alpha minus beta. Okay, so here alpha will be equal to 6x, beta is equal to 4x. Sine 6x plus 4x sine 6x minus 4x. Sine 6x plus 4x sine 10x. Sine 6x minus 4x sine 2x. That is the RHS. See here. It's just that it's in another order. That sine 2x is written first and 10x is later. So this is equal to RHS. Yeah. So this was about question number 12. So just note it down. Now let's move to the next, that is question number 13. So cos square 2x minus cos square 6x LHS cos square 2x minus cos square 6x. So here we can use the formula cos square alpha minus cos square beta. This will be equal to cos, sorry, not cos, sine beta plus alpha sine beta minus alpha. Okay, remember here it is reverse. Clear? So this will be equal to cos 6x plus, sorry, not cos, sine 6x plus 2x sine 6x minus 2x. This will be equal to sine 8x sine 4x. This is our RHS. Yeah. Okay, so this was about question number 13. Just note it down. Now let's move to the next, that is number 14. Okay, before starting question number 14, I will teach you two new formulas about sine 2x and cos 2x. See, sine 2x, this is equal to 2 sine x cos x. Okay, cos 2x, the formula for cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sine square x or cos square x minus sine square x. Okay, so you can use any one of these three formulas for cos 2x. Now see here what we are doing here, we are reducing the angle to half. See here it is 2x, here it's x and x, here it's 2x, here it's x, and x. Now see, when to use cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1, or when to use 1 minus 2 sin square x. See, if the formula is like this, cos 2x plus 1. Here it is plus 1. So what we require? We require minus 1. So I will use the top formula like 2 cos square x minus 1 plus 1. This gets cancelled. And if it is like this, cos 2x minus 1 at that time, or 1 minus cos 2x. It is like this way, 1 minus cos 2x. Then use this one, 1 minus 2 sine square. Okay, so 1 get cancelled, minus minus plus. Okay, so these are the formulas for sine 2x and cos 2x. Yeah, so you just note it down. So remember, we are reducing the angle. If the formula is like this way, sine 9x, then you can use this formula in this way, 2 sine 9x by 2 cos 9x by 2. If it is sine 100x, then you can use 2 sine 100 by 2, 50x cos 50x. You can also use this formula in reverse way. Like if the question is given like sine x by 2 cos x by 2. So what I will do? Multiply by 2, divide by 2. So now 2 sine x by 2 cos x by 2, we will use this in the formula like this way. 1 by 2 as it is, 2 sine x by 2 cos x by 2. What, when I am using reverse, I need to double the angle. So it will be sine x by 2 into 2 x. So this is half sine x. Clear? So just note down these formulas. Okay, now let's move to the question number 14. Here we will take LHS. We will rearrange it sine 2x, 2 sine 4x and sine 6x. We are having the formula of s plus s. So what I am doing, I am writing sine 6x plus sine 2x plus 2 sine 4x. Okay, so now see here, s plus s, 2sc. So 2 sine 6x plus 2x by 2 cos 6x minus 2x by 2. Remember, you have to divide by 2 also. Plus 2 sine 4x as it is. So now this will be equal to 2 sine 6x plus 2x, that is 8x, 8x by 2, 4x. Cos 6x minus 2x, that is 4x, 4x by 2, that is 2x. So I will take 2 sine 4x common. So here I will get cos 2x plus 1. Now I will use the formula for cos 2x. 2 sine 4x. And cos 2x means I will use 2 cos square x minus 1 because here it is plus 1. 2 cos square x minus 1 and this plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. So 2 into 2, 4 cos square x sine 4x. Clear? So this is equal to RHS. Okay? So we applied first S plus S and then we used the formula for cos 2x. Clear? So note down question number 14. Now let's move to the next one, that is question number 15. Question 15. Cot 4x into sine 5x plus 3x equal to cot x into sine 5x minus sine 3x. Clear? So let's start with LHS. Cot 4x into sine 5x plus sine 3x. Again, here we will use the formula s plus s, that is 2sc. Cot 4x 2 sine 5x plus 3x by 2 cos 5x minus 3x by 2. So this will be equal to cot 4x into 2 sine 5x plus 3x, 8x by 2 means sine 4x, and cos 5x minus 3x, that is 2x divided by 2, that is x. Okay, now instead of this cot 4x, I can write it down cos 4x upon sine 4x. So sine 4x gets cancelled. So it is 2 cos 4x cos x. Let's name it as 1. Okay, now let's see about RHS. It's cot x into sine 5x minus sine 3x. Okay, so cot 4x as it is. Here it's s minus s 2cs. So it will be 2 cos 5x plus 3x by 2 sine 5x minus 3x by 2. Okay, so this will be equal to cot x. Now instead of cot x, I will use cos x upon sine x. 2 cos 5x plus 3x, 8x by 2, 4x. Sine 5x minus 3x, that is 2x. 2x by 2, that is equal to x. Sin x gets cancelled. So this is equal to 2 cos 4x cos x. This is number 2. So from 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. Clear? First we solve LHS and then RHS, and in both the terms at the end we reach at 2 cos 4x cos x. Clear? So note down question number 15. Now let's move to the next, that is question number 16. Question 16. You have to prove cos 9x minus cos 5x upon sin 7x minus sin 3x, that is equal to sin 2x upon cos 10x. Okay, so let's start with LHS. LHS equal to cos 9x minus cos 5x upon sin 17x minus sin 3x. This is equal to C minus C. Okay, here we will use the formula C minus C minus 2SS. So minus 2 sine 9x plus 5x by 2 sine 9x minus 5x by 2. Upon, in denominator it is S minus S. So S minus S, 2CS. So 2 cos 17x plus 3x by 2 cos 17x minus 3x by 2. This is equal to 2 to get cancelled minus 9x plus 5x, that is 14x by 2 7x, 9x minus 4x, 9x minus 5x, that is 4x upon 2, that is 2x. Denominator cos 17 plus 3, that is 20x by 2 10x. Sorry, s minus s is 2cs, not 2cc. So here it will be sine 17 minus 3. Okay, that is equal to 14. 14x by 2, 7x. So sine 7x gets cancelled minus sine 2x upon cos 10x. This is equal to RHS. Here, this was about question number 16. So just note it down. Now let's move to the next, that is question number 17. Question 17. Sin 5x plus sin 3x upon cos 5x plus cos 3x equal to tan 4x. Okay, it is similar to question number 16. So let's start with LHS. Sin 5x plus sin 3x upon cos 5x plus cos 3x. Okay, so now numerator s plus s, 2sc, 2 sine 5x plus 3x by 2 cos 5x minus 3x upon c plus c, 2cc, so 2 cos 5x plus 3x by 2 cos 5x minus 3x by 2. So this will get cancelled here, see. Cos 5x minus 3x by 2, cos 5x minus 3x by 2. And also 2. This will be equal to 5x plus 3x, that is equal to 8x by 2, 4x. sine 4x upon cos, here it's x. 5x plus 3x, 8x by 2. Again here it is also 4x. So this is equal to 10x, sorry 10 4x, and this is equal to RHS. Yeah. So this was about question number 17. We have solved it similar to question number 16. Okay. So note down question number 17. Okay, students. So that's it for today. In our next video lecture, we will continue from question number 18. Thank you.